All right, we're gonna try to sneeze with our eyes open. Let me go first. You know I'm used to. Okay, hold on. Okay. It goes. Okay.
Not your star butt.
It's touching my brain. It's not even doing it. I'm not gonna be able to sneeze.
I'm used to it.
Go ahead. Maybe we need like a feather.
Not doing it.
Okay, let me try fork. Pepper. You gonna sneeze? No?
Okay.
I couldn't do it. So sorry.
Motherfucker, sneeze.
Oh my God.
Okay, let me try. Let me sneeze on me. I think I need like pepper or something.
A pepper, what?
Okay, right there.
You found my girl.
Wait, Dahlia. Okay, it was right there. So, like,